your circumstances and your situation by voting for a government and a political party that cares, that has a great track record. We think of Mgeni, and I spoke about Mgeni. I think of Cape Town, the city of Cape Town, where there are flats similar to this. But people have facilities. They've got recreational facilities. The areas are maintained. It gives people dignity and a bit of pride. And I think that message resonated well with the residents today.
We're only now left with 6 days before the elections. So are you satisfied enough with the campaign ever since you started?
We're very satisfied. Clearly, the ANC are not going to get a 50% majority. They're not going to get 40%. They're probably going to get about 30%. So it means the people of this province of KwaZulu-Natal and the residents of the Manor Flats where I've been can in all likelihood see a new government being formed on the 30th, and that's the hope that people want to hear. They don't want the same empty promises year in and year out. I was also told, just by interest, that President Ramaphosa was here 5 years ago for a brief visit here to Manor Flats, and he also promised the residents that they would get title deeds. People are tired of empty promises from the ANC, and they're taking up their passion by voting for the Democratic Alliance.
It looks like these elections are going to be the difficult one. Concerning coalition, will you do coalition with ANC? Because it looks like ANC is not doing well.
Well, look, at this stage, coalitions you can only form after an election. So I think we need to see all the results. There's 4 parties that are going to get anywhere between 20 and 30%. So, it's an open playing field. And I think, once the results come in, next week this time we'll have a better understanding of what the results are. And then we can look at the playing field and see exactly what role, and we believe the DA can play a constructive role in any form of coalition government in the province of KwaZulu-Natal.
Your final message, because now it looks like now the clock is ticking.
My final message to people is, if you want change, you need to vote for change. If you don't want empty promises, you need to vote for a party that has a political track record of good governance. I think of just up the road here, where Papas is our mayor and the DA governs. Think of the city of Cape Town. I think of Midvaal, the province of the Western Cape. We've got a good track record. If people want hope and they want change your vote. Join the Democratic Alliance on the 29th, and let's bring dignity back to the people of KZN.
Thank you so much.
Ndiyabulela Xolani.
Siyabonga nathi kakhulu.
Inkosi.
Okay, today we see DA, they were doing door-to-door. And how are you feeling? Because DA was here today.
I feel very good about it because I am a DA supporter, and that's what we all fight for, the DA. And I like to emphasize something, that my husband was also a DA supporter, and he died during the riots, the unrest of the July unrest, trying to protect his neighborhood. So I'm proud to be a DA member. Is there anything else you need to know?
What can you expect from DA since you are a member of DA? Because now they were doing door-to-door. So what can you expect from them? Or the message that would like to send to them for after elections so that they will account?
I would like to say to them that we need good security. We need the municipality bills to be in order, which is not in order, and maybe write out all the people's debts, give them their title deeds. But the most important thing is to wipe out crime in our area and safety.
So you believe that DA could deliver that?
Yes, they will. I know they can deliver it. I'm hopeful, and I know they will do it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much then.
Thank you.
Okay.